I'm literally riding in water. I can't make this up. I'm literally riding in water with a camera in my hand. Oh my goodness. It's a lot more developed than people give it credit for, I can tell you that much. Getting ready to wait for it's called a water taxi. It's a boat that'll take you to the northern side of the island. Not that boat right there. It's like a fishing boat or something. Not that right there. Not that right there, but it'll be a water taxi. And I'm gonna make my way to the other side so I can ride my bike around and explore that side of the island by bike. So see you guys soon. I'm sitting here just waiting for the boat. Hopefully it comes soon. They said you're supposed to just sit here and wait for it and the boat will come. So that's what your boy Philly John is doing. Talk to you guys in a little bit. See, when I first came here, it was just me. Now there's a couple people here now. And we got another YouTuber here. Tell him your channel.
Richard Adventures.
Richard Adventures.
Yeah. More of a nature channel though.
More of a nature channel?
Yeah.
Yeah, Richard Adventures. So check out his channel. It's a nature channel.
Yeah.
And he lives here on the island, the northern island.
Yeah.
And he's a YouTuber. So finally arrived, and he'll take us to the north side. There we go, right here. It was like a 10-minute wait, I guess. 10-minute wait. All right, man, we're getting on the boat. We're leaving out now. I'm up here with the driver. He ain't get up here yet, but he should be coming up soon. We're gonna make our way across so I can do my bike ride. There we go. Leaving out right now. So I just talked with the driver of the boat. He said, what, 8 minutes? Yeah, about 8-minute ride to the Northside Beach Club, right? Right. AKA Caulker Beach. Caulker Beach. Okay. Yeah. There we go. We on the other side of the island once again. History in the making. Okay. We're here, guys. Northside Beach Club. I'm getting ready to go for my bike ride. And we're going to go for a little ride on the bike. And I'm going to show you the island by bike. Let me let you see what's going on right here. Here we go. Thanks, man. Let's see. There it goes. All right, guys. I'm on the bike. It's hard to do this, man. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It's hard to do this with one hand, but I'm gonna do it. All right, let's go. We're gonna bike around the island. I'm gonna take my time. I'm probably gonna get a lot of mud on me, but I wanna give you guys a good view of the island. It's the only way to do it. So I might get wet today. Y'all might see me y'all might see me crash again. But it's all good. It's all for the name of showing you guys Which, oh goodness. It's the name of it. Got stuck a little bit, but it's cool. I'm alright. Let's see. That's it, Caulker King Beach, Northside Beach. Nice laid back place. So let's start going up this way. And they got puddles for days, man. This is gonna be interesting. Yeah, I went on the golf cart the other day, but it was better to bike it on it's better to bike, I'm about to say walk it, but better to bike it because you can slow down and you can see more of the island. Oh man, this is a good one. This is a good one. They're gonna have to do something about these puddles. They gotta do something about these puddles. So I'm here with you guys. You know I'm still here. Just trying to make my way around all the riffraff. But look at that, man. I can't make that up. Look at that. Well, sneakers gonna be dirty today, so I have to accept that. I have to accept that my sneakers will be dirty today. That's nothing but puddles here. This is crazy. It's another spot right here, but we'll try. You know, we're trying to bike it the best way we can. Okay. As long as I don't mess up the camera. As long as I don't mess up the camera, we all right. So let's go. Let's go. I'm literally driving in water. I'm literally driving in water. The camera could drop at any moment. All this for you guys. There we go. I did it. Struggle's real out here. It's exclusive footage, guys. Exclusive. I'm good. Just in the struggle. In the struggle, but I'm good. I don't know if I should have went around. Yeah. Okay. I'm in a struggle. It's more like a bike walk. Just gotta drop the camera. Whatever you do, Philly, don't drop the camera. This is the hardest video I ever did. Whew. I know they told me some people from Texas own that thing. So it's a couple hotels. I was wrong. There's actually a couple hotels out here. A couple hotels out here. It's another spot I'll ride around and let you guys see it. Hopefully they'll be merciful to me. They building it up pretty well. It's definitely it's definitely high end over here. Compared to the other side, this is definitely high end. This is definitely high end. But just to let you guys see what's going on. They should have had the name of the place in the beginning in front of it. But this is definitely, got a pole over there too. Man, this is bigger than what I thought it was. This is definitely nice. They did a good job here. Give them a cookie. They did a good job. So good not to be in water again, but oh, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I gotta go back. There's no way around. I gotta go back around. I'm making it, guys, today. I'm making it the only way I know how. I can't wear the face mask and ride the bike because you're breathing heavy and everything. Oh my goodness. Woo! Woo! We gotta go back the same way because the red brick road ends. Over there, that's the ocean. So let's keep going. I'm thinking it's gonna rain and the weather got better. It's a very tricky place. So you like, Philly, you taking the same way out? Yeah, I ain't got no choice. I'm surprised they ain't got no security or something here, so they got everything set up. I don't know when these people gonna open, but they did a good job. I just know they from Texas. I don't know the name of the hotel. As you can see, it's no name, so I can't tell you a name if I don't know the name. Usually, you know, when you go to a place in the front of it, there's a name of what it's called, but for some reason, it's no name. Keep chucking down the block. Pants are dirty. This is a little venture, so I'm happy for it. Got a week and a half, guys. I'm gonna make my way to El Salvador, so shout out to El Salvador. I will be making my way to El Salvador. Some people in El Salvador really want to see me. They're gonna get the opportunity to see me, my friends over there, complaining about my arrival. It took so long for me to make it back over there in these troubled times that we've had this last 2 years. Now let's go. Woo! The other side of the island, the north side, where people don't never really go. And another water puddle. Let's see what I can do. Let's do it, baby. Let's do it, man. Yeah. Got it. Getting used to this. The pineapple house is right here. I'm assuming it's that. Let's go over here. This is called the Pineapple House. This is probably gonna be a tour. It's already a tourist attraction. How dare I say that? I don't know if you can see it yet. This is the Pineapple House right here. It's considered like a tourist attraction on this side. The guy, don't know too much about it, but everybody talks about it. Got to get more information. But the guy built his house as a pineapple. As you can see, nice house, real classy. And I heard he got different pineapple stuff inside of there. And this is where he lives. He's an expat. I don't know where he's from exactly, but he's an expat. Well, we know we can get through the water because somebody got through the water. So now, before I do this right here, before I go in this water puddle right here for you guys, let me turn the bike around and check down this road. I'm confused, man. He said when you get there, to the pineapple house. This place is right there. Let me check some stuff and I'll come right back. Ah, mosquitoes getting me now. Yeah. We're on the north side of the island. Not many people come here. Okay, that's just one house back there. So his place is down this way. I'm checking for a friend. Hold on. Whew. Rough day for me, but I'm gonna do it. Mosquitoes are chopping me up like a machete. Let's go, let's go, let's go, Philly. Be tough, be tough. Man, mosquitoes are chopping me up. They got mosquitoes for real out here. Oh, I just got one. He just went right through it. Guess that's what I'm gonna have to do. I'm literally riding in water. I can't make this up. I'm literally riding in water with a camera in my hand. Oh my goodness. It's a lot more developed than people give it credit for, I can tell you that much. Oh man. I should have just went swimming today for this. Trying to check out a friend's house. Let me see if he's down here, down this way. Hopefully this is the street. If not, my house right there. Ah, man, this sucks really bad. Whew. You ain't gonna believe this. I'm getting good at driving in water. Whoa, whoa. Could have lost self, though. Could have lost it. Ah. Somebody cracked a joke on the other side. It wasn't right. Oh wow, his place is there. It was worth it. I found it. Whew. This was a struggle. Lucky I ate a chicken meal with some salad. That was good that I did that. Woo. Pressing right on through. Let's go, champ. Let's go. When I tell you, some of these puddles are like 3 feet deep. I wish I was making it up. It's a little bit more developed over here than I anticipated. Oh my goodness. Yeah. What the heck? How does that other white guy do it? It's another guy. Ooh. It's definitely a leg workout. Trying to make it to my friend's spot real quick. Here we go. We almost there. It's an art. I'm telling you, it's really hard to It's really hard to ride a bike and hold a camera. Really hard to do it. And guess what? Your boy Philly Diamond's doing it. It's my friend's spot right here. Put my bike down. Go on foot real quick. Yes, brother. Whew. Look at the road. You think I'm making it up? There we go. I know this will. There we go. All right. All right. There we go. Yeah. Checked it out, man. You see it? Went to your place. Whew. That's friend of mine property right there. His house is steady built. Woo! Woo! You gave good directions because it was one shot deal and I found it. So I'm gonna keep on marching on down on this bike. Woo! Yeah, brother. Just checking out the house. It's nice. Yeah. You don't know a friend of mine, that's his place. He doesn't know that. Oh man. Whew. There you go. Other house there. I don't know if you guys see that. So let me make it on out here real quick and we'll keep going. Okay. We back on the main road. I'm gonna keep pushing it up. But I found out something, guys. When you can use two hands, it's easy to go through the water puddles. But one hand, it's a trouble. Okay, come on, puddle. See what I can do. Yeah, but one hand was nothing. I push right through it like it's nothing. I mean, with two hands, like it's nothing. And then you can stand up. So it gives you more leg power. Okay. Give it all you got, Philly. Give it all you got, Philly. Give it all you got, Philly. Give it all you got. Got through that one. Whew. It's a hell of a leg workout. I'll tell you that much. Somebody's building a house right there, as you guys can see. Yeah, a little easier in the golf cart. Definitely. Whew. There's a workout I needed. I need the workout, so it's all good. It works out for me. All right, guys, give it all you got. Come on, go with me. Let's go, let's go. Okay, Philly, give it all you got. Give it all you got. Oh. Whew. That was rough right there. I'm soaking wet. We pushing, baby. We work. There's another road down there. Go this way. Man, it's like just me, the bike, and God, and you guys watching on the video. Yo, guys, please share my videos. Please give my videos a like. You see what your boy Philly Diamond's going through to show you the real Belize. Woo! I'm on an island with 8 people. Probably 80 people. maybe 100. Maybe 200. Well, not that much. This side of the island, the north side. Very much still inhabited, as you can see. But, oh, here we go again. They're gonna have to fix this. I don't even know how I get past here. You think I can make it? You think I can make it, guys? What do you think? Should I go for it? Or should I just tap out and call it a day? What you think I should do? Look at it, man. Y'all think I can make it? Think I can make it? You think I can make it? What you guys think, man? Tap out, let's try. I don't even know, man. Whew. This is a lot of water right here, B. It's a lot of water right here, B. Look at all the water, man. It looked very dangerous to keep going. From what I can see, it's looking very dangerous to keep pushing. Let's try at least. Let's see what I could do. I don't know, man. Just let's try. Let's try. I need both. I need both hands. So I'm gonna put the. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna need both hands, man. I might have to cut it off for a second because I need both hands, man. It's the only way I'm gonna make it through. I need both hands, guys. Oh man, let me try. Let's try. See what it's about. It's too much. Oh. There's gotta be another way to do this. There gotta be another way. I think somebody on the other side. So it gotta be another way. I gotta figure it out now. I gotta get off the bike. We're gonna have to figure it out. Man, that was too deep. It was too deep. It was like 3-4 feet of water. Oh, Belize flood for real. I told you guys. Okay, let's see. We're gonna try to walk around it. Let's go around it. Because I want to make it to the end. I'm already wet. You're already in pain. You might as well keep going. Ah, y'all see what I'm doing? Y'all got mad respect for Philly ball. Yeah. Woo, that was dangerous. So I'm going on the side. The water's there. I'm just going through on the side where it's not flooded, which I should have did from the beginning. I had to walk through this. Wish I had a Belizean here to direct me how to do it. Let's keep going. Hey. Oh man, I'm trying to figure it out. Maybe I could try to bike it in a little bit. I think I can bike some of it. All right, let's just keep pushing. See a lizard. Going good, man. Whew. You see what's on the ground? like a mission. Tell you the truth, I'll tell you, I'd never do it again. Unless I talk to a Belizean that knows this area a little better than I do. And this is swift. Thought it was something right there. I don't know if I should just, whew. You came this far, Philly. There's 2 ways to do this, guys. I could go in the water right here, or I could push forward. I don't know what's there, and just push forward. Oh, shoot. We're gonna do it fast and go with it. Ah. We did it. Let's go, champ. We did it. Remember, it's not the skill sometimes, it's the will. So it's done. We did it. Legion family out there hanging out. Got it. Some more people live here. Look like a beach space. Let's go check that out real quick. The dog took forever to bark at me. Let me check this little beach area out. Man, you ain't about that life, dog. We know you ain't about that life. For you guys that don't speak slang, he's not tough as he ain't tough as his bark is. Yeah, rude boy. Yes, brother. Yeah, you got a little story there, I see. Yeah. I thought this was a beach. But like they're gonna build some homes or something here. Oh, something's on my tire. I'll get it later. Maybe I'll get it now. I'm tired of it clicking. Heck is this? There you go. Now we back. Should be no clicks. Oh, they building something here, look like it. Yeah, we'll just go around. We'll just take it and go around. It's like an empty lot with a lake running through it or a river. What's up, guys? Yeah. I'm just coming to see the beach. Yeah, we're gonna go by the water real quick. We right here. They should make this that beach right here. This would be their secret beach. Don't stop me, guys. I'm gonna run over the edge. Don't stop me. Don't stop me. Don't stop me. Well, here we go. The real beaches of the north side. Let's sit right here. Let's sit right here, guys. Yeah. Here we go. Here we go. All right, let's go. We're gonna go back. That was a little extra today. A Philly Dom's tour, a little extra. Yeehaw! 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 Yeah, we're gonna try to make it down to the Blu Zen. Take a little break there and get the heck back on the other side of the island. So I ain't got that much further to go. Gotta keep pushing, man. Went through some of the deepest puddles known to Caye Caulker and survived. Hopefully there's no quicksand or anything over here. This looks... I think. Or it could be the sand. I don't know. Oh man, trying to get out of here. Whew. This way. There's an extra part of the tour right there. I don't know what that is. I don't know what they doing. I should have asked them. Let's see if we can make it to the Blu Zen. Zen. Z-E-N. He might be the only guy with a grocery store here. I'm trying to come back. I'm gonna get some water from him. Yo, my friend, on my way back, I'm gonna get some water from you. Okay, I'm gonna go to the Blu Zen real quick.
Yeah, no problem, man.
Yeah, I see you got the only store here, I see. Yeah, you coming up on that money, man.
I'm trying, man.
That's all right, I'll be back. That's what's up. You started a market where nobody's at. Yeah. All right, let's keep puddling on down. Building over there. Construction. Caye Caulker Northside is open for business. And I got some real estate guys, if you want to talk to them, I can put you in contact with. That can tell you the different prices for the land and everything, because I know a lot of people want to buy land so they can build some houses up here. So just give me a call via WhatsApp or in my inbox or whatever, and we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. This is more like a nature bike ride than anything. There we go. I think the tire's all right because I'm rolling now. I'm rolling. Oh, yeah, I got a house right there. At the gate, the house. Okay. Okay. I might build houses right there as well. We made it. Cause this is as far as you can go. Like they said, these are the farthest houses. As far as I know, everybody tells me different stories. So it's nothing can be confirmed right now unless I check it myself. I was here the other night. They building, boy. They building here. Whew. What's up, my friend? Yeah, I came back on my bike. Just to ride here, man, just for exercise. Yeah. It was hard. It was really hard, man, because of the puddles? Yeah, oh, man, 3 feet puddles. Yep. Oh, man, and I didn't have no Belizean to guide me through it. Because there was a guy in front of me, he was moving like, how'd he get through there so fast? He knows where to go, because he probably goes it a couple times a day. Right. Yeah, but I figured it, I made it. Yeah, I'm just going to show him again on this. Whew. But I'll be here next week. I'll definitely be here next week.
Yeah, what day are you coming?
I think Tuesday.
Tuesday, okay.
Yeah, Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday morning I'll come.
Is it 2 nights?
Yeah, 2 nights.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, 2 nights. Just me. Maybe I'll bring a friend or two.
Yeah.
I don't think it's gonna be too hard to convince somebody to come to the Blu Zen. I don't think it's gonna be that hard to convince them. Like, free trip, drinks, food. Okay, Philly, I'll come with you. Yeah. I'll see you later. I'm gonna just walk around a little bit. What's up, my boy? Yeah. This was the goal for the day. For me to make it here. So I did that. So let me get some footage. Walk around a little bit. And that's it. Let's park the bike. Park my bike. That's the bike. I'm soaking wet. I ain't gonna show you guys. I'm soaking wet. Just... See everything that's going on. I think that's the restaurant right there. Let's go around this way. And bring, no, I'll go this way. And bring it back in. Let's just see what's going on. It's probably the best thing they have hotel-wise that I've seen here. The Blu Zen. And also I'm gonna go back to the Northside Beach Club, Cocoa Beach, and I'm gonna go inside one of the rooms and let you guys see how one of the rooms look over here. This is it, man. This is it. Welcome to Belize, Caye Caulker Belize, the north side. I gotta get back quick, man, because I'm soaked. Okay, I'm with Sully right now, and we're going into, tell them the name of this hotel, resort, pardon me. How do I say hotel? Resort.
It's Wayu Boutique Hotel.
What's the name of it?
Wayu
Boutique
Hotel.
Yeah. And it's a part of, what's this?
Northside Beach Club, which was previously known as Coco King.
Okay, so but now it's known as Northside Beach Club. And the name of this?
It's a King Room.
Kid, this is the King Room, but the name again, so everybody can hear the name.
Wayu Boutique Hotel.
Wayu Boutique Hotel.
Yes.
And you can give me a card at the hotel, like.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so we're going in, guys. So this is another good place to stay at on the north side. The north side is definitely destroying the south side. These are like real nice stuff. You got the power, electric, the lights. Let's see if the light. Okay. Go in here real quick. Where's the light at? Okay. Well, we're in the dark for a second, just in a second. There we go. No, it's not no light coming on. Oh, maybe we can just do this. This is easy. Just trying to let you guys see the room. The light's not coming on. What light is it? That one? This one?
I'll try the other one.
I try.
You gotta hold it.
Okay. I gotta pull this one. This one. Okay, there we go, guys. We finally got it. This is it right here. It's a boutique hotel. Real nice. And you know the question of the hour. Hold on one second, I'll ask you in a second. This is the bathroom. Wii U. It's called Wii U, right again? Wii U. Here you go. Fill it down right here. And how much would this run you? I know it fucks away because y'all going into high season and all that.
Yeah, actually, the prices changed Monday.
Okay.
But this one is for $147.15 US.
Okay. $147.
Yes.
US a night.
Breakfast is included.
Okay. And also it has breakfast included, and it's like, guys, give or take it, it goes up and down, but she said about $150 US.
Yes, that is right.
Okay, which is 300 Belize.
Yes.
Okay, and is there a patio back there, or what is there back there? And it has good Wi-Fi. I would assume you guys have good Wi-Fi. Because you have no TVs or nothing in here.
No TV.
That's the new thing now, no TVs, huh? And this is the back patio area. And breakfast is included with it.
Yes, breakfast is included.
And then everything you need is right here at the Northside Shore Club, Beach Club / Cocoa Beach. They got like 50 names.
The location is Caulker Beach.
Okay.
The location.
Cocoa King Beach is
And
the
then
location.
they want to change of name, as I was telling
Like you
you.
saying before, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, it's nice. I mean, let me zoom this again. Look at this. I mean, let's see the artwork. It's nice. Very nice. This is nice. Okay, so if you're thinking about coming to Caye Caulker Belize and you want a little bit more upscale, I'm noticing that the north side, which they're building up the north side, the hotels are a lot nicer. The other ones are more like backpacker hotels. I don't even know what you want to call it on the south side. They call them like a guest house and stuff like that. But here you're getting, you see the quality, guys. You see the quality. Anything else you could say exclusive that's about your hotel or the whole area right here? What could you say?
This hotel is Belizean owned.
Okay.
So
That's a plus, yeah.
yes, that's definitely a plus. Yeah, and we can assure you will have a very unique experience here with us.
Okay. Good people, good food, good music. You have the beach right there, so that's actually a beach. This is like first time I've seen a beach here because really, I'm gonna be honest, on the south side, it's not really no beaches from what I can see.
That is right.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you for the tour today. Let them know your name because they probably gonna be reaching out to you. Soli. I call you Soli. Suli.
Yes.
Suli. But thank you for the tour, and thank you for letting me see that. So now, guys, you want to come to Belize? You want to come to Caye Caulker? This is a place where you can stay at. Thank you so much, Suli. And this is the outside. Look at that. Let you see everything one more time. I gotta ask you one more question. Let's go back and let me ask you one more question. So you have king size. This is considered a king room. You have
Right now.
Okay, hold on.
Yeah, we have
Okay.
in total 10 rooms.
You have total of 10 rooms, okay.
Yes, we have 3 king rooms,
3 king rooms.
3 queen rooms.
Uh-huh.
We have a double room,
Okay.
a luxury double room, a luxury king room, and the penthouse.
Okay.
The penthouse is all the third floor.
Okay.
I don't know if you would like to go and see
Yeah,
the view
show me.
from over
Show
there.
me. Take me.
I would love to show you inside of the penthouse, but we have guests right now.
Okay. Ballers. They got the penthouse. Ballers. Let me guess. Some guys that's on the beach. There's a whole bunch of them. I figured that might be the people. I like it because it's real intimate. This hotel, I'm not the whole environment here is like real intimate. You're on an island which hardly nobody lives on.
Yeah, the view here is just majestic.
Yeah, she said majestic. The majestic view up here. There you go, guys. Yeah, you're right. Wow. Wow. What's the hotel next door to you? What's that hotel name?
Bay Towers.
Okay. There we go. I'm panning. I'm trying to get a good view of it. How big is the island from what you know? How big is this island? Is it? I know it's bigger than the other one. That's what everybody said.
Yes, but then as you were saying, not a lot of people live over at this side.
Yeah, they don't. It was under.
I don't know if you have been to Blu Zen.
Yeah, I've been to Blu Zen.
There.
Yes.
It's a really nice place as well, right?
Yeah. Very nice place. Very nice place.
Hi, Daniel.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. What was your name?
Dominique, but
Dominique.
Philly Dom is a YouTube channel. My real name is Dominique, but Philly Dom, yes.
Okay, nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too. You're so nice. You're just so friendly, and you showed everything. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so
I
much.
wish I could have showed you the other one.
I'll be back again to do another video. So, I mean, eventually I know they can't keep it forever unless they're gonna buy it. Yeah.
I'll be at the office.
All right. Take care.
You're welcome. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.
You too. Okay. Bye bye.